Well, it doesn't look like much, but we're actually going to make something useful, very useful, and very inexpensive. In my case, free because I had this stuff lying around. All right, first step is to drill the PVC pipe. And the next step is to cut the notches using a slight angle to give it a little more grip in this cut. And I am cutting threads, this 1/4 because I had a tap. Otherwise you could use just a nut to hold it on. Removing the burrs with a file. Any sharp edges. And there's all the completed pieces ready for assembly. First on the bolt is the threaded plastic, and it's good to have an assistant supervising. There's the final assembly. I didn't end up using the nut lock washer. Like I said, I threaded the plastic.